tapped into this natural essence of life, the natural flow of nature, embracing it. Got my brother out here with me as well. He's tapped in, man. Appreciating life and these natural, organic vibes. Indeed. Hey, you gotta make a way, man. Sometimes you might slip, sometimes you might fall, but it's all good, man. Positive mentality, no fear, and just embracing it. I know y'all hear them good vibrations right now, man. This is natural, real organic vibrations. Connected to the source, you feel me? We out, man. I'm finna continue this meditation and this observation with Mother Nature.